To solve this data sufficiency question, we'll go ahead and consider each statement separately first and then together if needed. Before diving into the statements, we're asked about the volume of a room that has length x, width y, and height z. We don't need a visual if we don't want one, but we do need to recall what the volume of a room, which would be like a rectangular cube or prism, I guess. So our volume of a rectangular prism would be x times y times z, length times width times height. So we want to keep that in mind as we go through our statements. We're looking to see if we can actually find a value for v. And if we can, then that information would be sufficient. So let's go ahead and look at statement 1. We're given x is equal to 1600 over yz. So if we go ahead and clear fractions, we can multiply both sides by yz, and we end up with x, y, z is equal to 1600. Now x, y, z is the exact same as our formula for volume. So our volume is 1600 equals v. And we're able to find a value for v, so that means that this statement alone is sufficient. So we can eliminate answer choice B, C, and E. Let's go ahead and consider statement 2. Let's clear the board first just to give us some space. And we'll consider statement 2. For statement 2, we're given y equals 20 and z equals 8. So using our volume equation, we can go ahead and plug in for y, which would be 20, and for z, which would be 8. Now simplifying this, we have v equals 160 times x. We can't actually find a value for v because it's dependent on x. And with statement 2, we don't have enough information to determine the value of x. So this statement alone is not sufficient. We can actually eliminate answer choice D, and we're left with answer choice A. Statement 1 alone is sufficient, but statement 2 alone is not sufficient.